Hi, this is Melinda from Grassroots Internet Strategy, and in this video we're going to look at where to add keywords to your page of web copy or blog articles. So recapping the steps leading up to this point: do your keyword research to find out your actual search volumes, then get an indication of how competitive your keywords are. Ideally, you're going to optimize for the keywords that are the most relevant, that have highest search volume and are least competitive. So the example I'm going to use today is a keyword phrase, add blog to website. We went through that research process with this phrase for the Grassroots Internet Strategy website, and it's actually one of the phrases that we rank high on in pages from Australia. So you can see our website there, and this is one of the great words that brings traffic to us. So the first thing to understand with the Google search results, this line of text here is called the page title, and the sentence underneath there is the meta description. So both of those pieces of text can be custom written. Depending how your website's set up, you may actually need to send them to your web developer to add to the code of your website, or if you're using WordPress with the all-in-one SEO pack, it's actually really easy to add them into each page of content that you create. So clicking through there on the page title line, and you'll see this is where the page title actually appears in your web page. So that's that same line of text as you saw there in the Google results. So first, most important place to use your keywords is your page title. And you can see here we've got the words add blog to website, but we don't actually have it specifically at that phrase. We've put some other words in between so that it sounds better. If you're really serious about optimizing a page for a certain four-word phrase, best practice is to use them right at the start, so to the very left. So we would do something like add blog to website and then add some other words afterwards, but we've actually chosen to put the words in so that it's more specific to what we're actually promoting. So that's the first place. Next place, this is the URL here, which is the address where your web page is located, so we've put the keywords in there as well. Once again, if you're using WordPress, it's really easy to customize the words that are used in your URL, but depending how your website is set up, it may or may not be possible. Next place to use keywords, down here in the H1 heading. So if you're coding in HTML, it's called the H1, but generally speaking, it should be just set up as a heading, ideally in your content management system. So our heading there, not very creative, but at least it explains what we're talking about. If you were using subheadings throughout the text, it would be good to try and include your keyword phrase there as well, and also use it in the body text where it comes naturally. So you can see an example there. We've put add a WordPress blog to your existing website. And we've also used variations on the word, so WordPress add-on blog, different types of, styles of saying the same thing. So the main aim is to write naturally and also include your keywords, but always make sure it reads well for people. Another important place to put your keywords is in link text. So down here we've used it while linking to another page of our website, which I've just accidentally clicked on, so I'll go back. And also if other people were linking from their website to this page, ideally they'd use the phrase add blog to website in part of their link text. Another place to use it, if we did have an image here, you put your main keyword phrase in the alt text on the image. That's actually the text that's read out on a reader for blind people to explain what the image is about. So make sure your alt text does specifically explain what the image is about, but aim to include your keyword as well. And once again, WordPress makes it really easy to add alt text with every image you upload. So recapping, the main places to put your keywords: your page title up here, your URL there, your headline here, subheading if you can, embedded in your content. Put them in your content as early up as possible, you get more SEO value, and also in your internal link text, in your alt image text, and in external link text from other websites to yours if you have control of it. I also just wanted to reinforce that each page of content you create on your website is an opportunity to optimize that page for a specific set of keywords. So here's an example of a page that we've optimized for add blog to website, but all of the articles that we write on our blog, we choose a particular phrase that we hope to rank on either now or in the future, and we optimize that page in a similar way to I've just explained for this one. So I hope that's been helpful, and yeah, enjoy adding your keywords to your web content.